Hi everyone. Now I'm going to do few more sums on exercise 18. So I'm doing question number just wait. Question number 13. Here it is giving in this question it is giving AOB. AOB is the diameter with center O. AOC angle 100 degree. Find BDC angle. We have to find out BDC angle. Means this angle I want to find out. Now this is a 100 degree. Can I write COB angle 180 minus 100 degree 80 degree? Why children? Linear pair. Reason you have to write, otherwise you lose the marks. This is, you got 80 degree. Now imagine it if I will join this. If I will join, this is a center angle. This is a circumference angle. So I'll write BDC angle is 80 by 2, 40 degree. Why? Because you see that this is a center angle. This is a circumference angle. Therefore, I'll write circumference angle is, this is circumference angle is half of the center angle. Okay? Then I'm going to do question number 15. This is AB, C, D, join it. This total angle is 65. This is 70 degree, 45 degree. We have to find out BCD angle, ADB angle. See now children, BCD means this angle. Okay, now I have to find out ADB angle. You see that this is a triangle, therefore I'll write 180 minus 65 plus 70. This is 180 minus 45 degree. You got, this is 45 degree. That means how much you got? This is 90 degree. So you got, this is 45. Now BCD angle, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 angles are on the circumference. Therefore it is a cyclic quadrilateral. Hence I will write 180 minus 65. That is y. You write cyclic one letter. Okay. Now children, I am doing number 16. This is 35. This is 25. This is 50 degree. We have to find out CBD angle, CAB angle, ACB angle. Now see children, to get CBD angle means this angle, I have to say that BDA is equal to BCA. Can I write or not? BCA is equal to BDA, that is 35 degree. Why? Reason you will write angle lying on the same segment. Okay? You got this is 35. Now children, you see that this is, it is giving that you have to find out CAB angle, CAB angle, and you have to find out CBD angle, CBD angle. Is it giving anything? Then BDC, BDC angle is 180 minus 25 plus 50. You got 180 minus 75, that is 105. Why children I am telling this? You see that this is 25, this will be 25. You will write this angle is 25, this angle is 25, angle lying in the same segment is equal. Therefore, you write 25 degree, same segment. Okay. Now, you are getting BDC, BDC, because you are getting that BDC is 180 minus 25 plus 50. This total angle is 180. Already we are getting this one. Therefore, you are getting BDC angle is 105. Now, the question is giving CAB. Then, CAB is equal to BDC, CAB is equal to BDC, that is 105 degree, lying in the same segment. This angle is equal to this angle, hence finished. Okay. Then I am going to do question number 18. A, B, C, D, E, this is equal, this is 40 degree. We have to find out ADE angle. this angle we want to find out. Now children, I'll write AB is equal to BC. It is given. Okay. Then I can write BCA is equal to BAC 40 degree. Hence ABC is 180 minus 40 degree plus 40 degree. That is 180 minus 80 degree, 100 degree. You got this is 40, this is 100. A, B, C, D. They are on the circumference. Therefore, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Hence, I will write ADC equal to 180 minus 80. Sorry, 180 minus 100. This is 80 degree. You got this is 80 degree. Now, ADE equal to 180 minus 80, 100 degree linear pair. Or you can write directly ADE is equal to 100 degree because exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to interior angle of that cyclic quadrilateral. Anything you write, it will be correct. Either you do this method or write directly this is equal to this one. Okay. Now I am doing to question number 20. Degree. Question is giving O is the center of the circle, ABE is a straight line. It is a straight line. CBE 55. We have to find out ADC, ABC, and you have to find out the value of X. Now children, you see that this is 55. I can write ABC equal to 180 minus 55, 125 degree. Why? Linear pair of the property. This is I got. Now children, I can write ADC is equal to 180 minus 125, 55 degree. Why? You see that 1, 2, 3, 4, they are on the circumference. It is a cyclic quadrilateral. Hence, I will write ADC is equal to 55. Now, children, if I will join it, you see that I have to get this angle. AOC is equal to 55 into 210. Why? Angle lying on the circumference is half of the center angle. Now, angle at the center is double of the circumference angle. Therefore, I am writing 110. So, X or reflex of AOC, that is 360 minus 110. This is 250. You can write reflex angle. Okay. Children, today I am doing this much. Rest of the sums I will do in next video. Okay. Thank you.